So in this video I'm going to show you which is the best WordPress redirect plugin, tutorial 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I help people create an online business and I do a lot of WordPress tutorial and plugin reviews. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So currently right now I'm on my WordPress dashboard. All you have to do is click on plugins, add new, and I will show you how to get the best redirect plugin for WordPress. And it's very easy. It's called Rank. So I wouldn't suggest just downloading a redirect plugin. I would suggest downloading this SEO tool. So if you're using Yoast, don't use Yoast. You could just export all the settings to Rank Math, and Rank Math is really easy to set up. And I've done a comparison between Yoast and Rank Math, and there's 100 times sure that Rank Math is better than Yoast because it's free and it has a lot of features. And for Yoast you need to pay for those features. So all you have to do in Rank Math is activate. I'm not gonna go through this process. I'm just gonna skip now. So once you're here, all you have to do is, so this is the Rank Math plugin. All you have to do is click on 404 monitor and redirection. This is the best free redirection plugin for WordPress. So now everything's done. So now all you have to do is just make my face small, click on dashboard again. So now this is active setting and then setting. So the 404 monitor would note down anything on your website. So let's say someone enters a wrong site URL, so it will show over here, and then you could just create a redirect setting. So the redirect is here. So let's say demo, this is my website currently right now. Okay, so if I write this and like this would show in the 404 monitor. So it says currently right now page not found. I go over here, if I just refresh, so as you could see, so I had written something like this. So it says the page does not exist, and in the 404 monitor you could see this. Then all you have to do is click on redirect, and then just you could redirect this thing to a destination URL, and then that's it guys. And then you can add a redirection. So if someone comes to this URL again, it will go back to wherever you redirect. And in my opinion, this is the best redirect plugin for WordPress. And I think so that's it for today's video. And if you're looking out to create a WordPress website from scratch guys, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. The link is down below, and I also show you techniques to get free traffic to your website. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.